Speaker, thank you. My question is to the Prime Minister. In order to gain a $3 billion deal of sale of uranium yellowcake to China, we had to relax our regulatory requirements and reporting requirements. As a party to the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, we are required to verifiably ensure that no Canadian uranium ends up in nuclear weapons. My question is, how will we do this? What reporting requirements exist, and what was relaxed?
The Honourable Minister of Foreign Affairs.
Thank you very much, the member opposite, for her question. Let me assure the House that Canada strongly supports the International Convention and all of our legal obligations on nuclear non-proliferation. The agreement that we have with China is consistent with all of those agreements and ensures that appropriate safeguards are in place. This agreement will also help create badly needed jobs in Canada, and just as importantly, will help China generate non-emission electricity that will lead to less pollution and better air quality for people in China, and we're very proud to play a part in that.